Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best method to switch payroll to Cash App. Okay, it's gonna be a quick one. Let's get straight into it. Now, the best method to switch payroll to Cash App is to plan the transition carefully to avoid missed payments. You want to start by obtaining your Cash App routing and account numbers from the direct deposit section. Next, submit these details to your employer according to their payroll update process, preferably before a new pay cycle begins. Keep your previous bank account active until at least one successful deposit is received on Cash App. Confirm the switch with payroll staff and verify deposit timing on your first payment. You can enable notifications to confirm arrival. A controlled transition ensures uninterrupted income and prevents unnecessary delays during the switch. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.